Hi there, this is Dustin Burrell with CIS End User Support 225. We're going to get back into the VMware workstation here, and on this activity it's 8-8, monitoring shared folders. Creating shared folders is what I'm looking at. This starts on page 376 of my book that I'm using. This is basically saying there are multiple methods to create shared folders. To ensure that shared folders meet your needs, you need to understand the differences between the methods for creating shared folders. In this activity, you create shared folders using multiple methods. So let's just get going. Go to your start, and this time we're going to go to Documents. And in your Documents area, you're going to right click and go down to New. We're going to create a new folder, and we're going to call it Simple Share 1. Type it just like that, capital S on Simple, capital S on Share 1, hit Enter. So after we get the Simple Share 1, we basically want to go right click on it, and we want to share with specific people. As we're sharing with specific people, it says look for a work group user. I'm going to just use the Susan Jones account that I created earlier and add it right here. And as you add it, you go to read and click on read and give it the access so it can read and write at the same time. This allows the work group user to modify files, and then just click the share button, and it's going to take just a few minutes to share. But after that, just read the results. It comes from the C user file, and that's my user file right there, Dustin Burrell. And click done. Then go over to the local disk here. Click twice. Under the computer in the left-hand pane, right click on an open area in the right pane right over here. We're going to create some more folders. In this one, we're going to call Simple Share 2. Enter. And after we create the simple share, we're going to also create one more folder, and this one is going to be called, go to new folder, it's going to be called Advanced Share. Okay, so we got the two new folders created, and we've got to basically do the same thing we did with Simple Share folder 1. We're going to share with specific people. And as we go here to find our workgroup user, who is Susan Jones for me, click the add button. Then click the read button. Make it read write optionable. And then share. And you see that it's still... Notice that the share name settings in the same name as the folder by default, but it can be changed. Okay, so actually I read the wrong part. Read the results of the file sharing window right here. And I wanted to point out that it's not in the documents, it's actually in the individual items. Sorry about that. So hit done. Now we're going to go to Advanced Shared and right click it. And this time we're going to go into Properties. As we go into the properties, click the sharing tab right here and go into advanced sharing. Select the share this folder, click it right here, and you'll notice that advanced share became the default name for the share name. Click the permissions button right down here. But this displays the share permissions for this share. Advanced sharing configures only share permissions, not NTFS permissions. NTF permissions for this folder must be configured manually by using the security tab. Using the share with option for sharing configures both share permissions and NTFS permissions. Now select the allow option for change, and then click OK. This is allowing the user to modify files through the share, but not to change the share permissions. Click OK to close the advanced sharing dialog box, and then click the security tab and click edit. In Sharon Jones's In the group or username box, click Group User, which mine is right here. And as you click on here, in the permissions for this work group or box right here, you want to allow option on modify. So click the allow option on modify right here, and then click OK. What this is basically doing, it gives NFTS permission work with the share permissions to control what task a user is able to perform on a network share. So that's the connection to folders and sharing folders. Pretty much just click close right here and close all your windows. But that's how you share folders throughout your documents and local disk area of your computer. Thank you for joining me on this video today, guys. Any comments or questions, please feel free to let me know.